Meaning of hamper.
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 Hamper. The word hamper can have different meanings depending on the context it is used in. However, in general, hamper refers to an obstacle, hindrance, or impediment that interferes with or slows down someone or something's progress or functioning. It can also refer to a large basket with a lid used for storing or transporting clothes, food, or other items. Regardless of its meaning, the common result of a hamper is a disruption or limitation of activities or movement, which can cause frustration, delay, or inconvenience to those affected by it.